Greetings! Faster hard drives offer a multitude of benefits. On Windows, you can measure the speed of installed hard drives very easily. First, determine the hard drive for a speed test. We will check the read and write speed of the C drive, where the Windows is installed. Now, open the command prompt with Administrative Write. Type the displayed command. Press Enter. The operation will take some time to load the information. Finally, the speed metrics for the C drive have been generated and are ready for analysis.